Hey guys, Brandon Beans here. I want to welcome you to Off Axis's FPV Your World and the World Long Range Championship. I want everybody to go out there and give it your best, fly your furthest, and get your best cinematic shot.
Hey everybody, Danzilla the Terrible here. I'm just out scouting some locations, getting ready for the upcoming World Long Range Challenge on FPV Your World. I can't wait to see everybody come out for it, and let's see how far we can push it.
What's up, you guys? Westside FPV here. I will be a judge for the World Long Range Challenge. I just want to challenge you guys to get out there and get your best long range that you can and submit it to this contest. Like I said again, I will be a judge. Get out there and push it.
What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV, and I am stoked to tell you about the World Long Range Challenge. FPV Your World, free Discord server you can join. There's a link right here in my bio. They are hosting a new contest. Every month, there's going to be dope-ass long-range challenges and prizes from dope sponsors like me. I am going to be giving away 3D print and design services. So if you've got your own printer, I'll do some design work for you. And if you don't have your own printer, I'm going to make fresh parts. Like these right there, custom made by me, Fly High FPV, and all you got to do is compete on the Discord. Entries are due by April 1st, so go ahead and get them in there. But there's going to be a new one every month. You just got to keep on watching and looking. And my challenge to you, what do I want to see as a judge of the long range contest? I want to see keyholes and waterfalls. Those are the things that flick my bean. I want to see it. I'll see you in the air, boys. Fly high.